day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back again with our MD3 Max smartwatch, and this time we are going to check on the health features available here. Okay, we will check the results of the health features here and compare it with the Omron medical grade, okay, device. So we have here, okay, so monitoring of our blood pressure, and we have here the heart rate. Okay, so we have here, okay, in the MD3 Max, so what are the health features being offered? We have the blood oxygen, blood pressure, as well as the heart rate. Okay, so let's check first. Okay, we already attached here in our arms, okay, the medical grade Omron blood pressure and heart rate monitoring. So let's check. Let's try to monitor our blood pressure as well as the heart rate. Okay. Later on, we're going to have a simultaneous detection of our heart rate as well as the blood pressure. Okay. So right now, let's just have a separate detection. We will double check it later so we can see whether it works or not. Okay, it's now monitoring. So we have 110/82 and we have 90 here beats per minute. So it's a bit high. Okay, so let's check, okay, with our smartwatch here. So let's wear it properly and check. Okay, I do have a very, okay, not good heart rate pulse here. As you can see, I'm tired and been working for several hours now. Okay, heart rate, let's check it first. Okay, our heart rate here is 90. So let's see, do we have the same results or not? So we have 94 here, 93, 92. So it's ranging from 90 to 89. Then it goes back again to 92. And we have a 92. So it's not that far. The results not that far when it comes to heart rate. How about the... Okay, let's go back. Oh, let's go back here. What's next? The blood pressure. Okay, so let's check. Again, our blood pressure here is 110/82. Okay, so let's see. Again, the heart rate here is almost close. Okay, almost the same. 110/82. We have 122/76 here. Okay, so very far. So let's check. Let's have a simultaneous detection of our blood pressure as well as heart rate here. Okay, let's change the location of the smartwatch. Okay, as you can see here, let's see. Let's adjust our bag here. Okay, we started now. Okay, let's wait. Okay, we are getting closer to the results. We have 140 over 78. Very far. We have 88 here for the heart rate. Okay, so the blood pressure is off. Okay, how about the heart rate? As you can see, we do have 88 here. Okay, let's see if we will have at least ranges from 90 to 86 something. Plus 2, plus 3 points. Okay, we have 88. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so almost close to the results here. 88, we do have 85. But the blood pressure is off. Okay, so I don't know. Maybe it's just random, or maybe the sensor is not just, accurate. Low quality sensor for the blood pressure. But for the heart rate, I think it's okay. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding the demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premium site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye.